You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this expression. It's an acronym, as well as how to say more meanings of different acronyms. Greatest of all time, G for greatest, O for of, A all, T time. So if somebody is a goat, as in one of the greatest musician, for example, goat, musician, greatest of all times. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more meanings and pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.